would like to now introduce our valedictorian. Dr. Stephanie Brunet defended her PhD dissertation, Organization of the Yeast Trap Complex and the Implications for its Function, in March 2015, under the supervision of Dr. Michael Sacher in the Department of Biology. Dr. Brunet's dissertation made use of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yeast, as a model to explore the fundamental question of how proteins are directed and through various compartments within a cell. Understanding this essential process can be directly related to a broad spectrum of diseases ranging from diabetes to Alzheimer's to cancers. Dr. Brunet is currently teaching science at Dawson College. I would like now to ask Dr. Stephanie Brunet to give the valedictory address.
Chancellor Wiener, Chairman Hebert, President and Vice Chancellor Shepard, Dr. Neemtam, distinguished guests and participants, fellow students, families, and friends, I am pleased to address you today on behalf of the graduating students. I would like to begin by congratulating my fellow students, as well as to thank family and friends who are celebrating this milestone with us. J'aimerais commencer avant tout par féliciter mes collègues diplômés et par remercier les parents et amis qui célèbrent avec nous cette étape importante. Graduating from university is exciting and something we should be very proud of, but it can also feel scary. We have spent a significant amount of time progressing towards something that we have now reached. So what next? When I was much younger, my awareness of possible career paths was very limited, as I thought my choices boiled down to doctor, teacher, or lawyer, and maybe a few others. I expected that over time it would become very clear to me what career I was destined for. But with every passing year of school, the options of what I could spend my life doing seemed to multiply exponentially, and the choice became less clear. For example, a quick Google search for what careers can be pursued with a university biology degree bring up the following results: a career in research, healthcare, environmental conservation, government and policy, biotechnology, industry, science journalism, and education. And I'm sure that a more extensive search would yield several more. This abundance of possibilities is overwhelming, but it is also very exciting. At the beginning of my university career, I assumed that I would have a very clear idea of what my next step would be once graduation had arrived. However, my education did not direct me towards a single and obvious career path. Instead, it opened my eyes to the many things that I could choose to do and provided me with the strong foundation that I needed to successfully pursue them. University did not narrow my options, but instead broaden them, which is a great thing. Okay, so we have an abundance of options, but how do we decide which one to pursue? My best answer is to just jump in and to not be afraid to make a mistake. We have worked hard to prepare ourselves for this next challenge, and we are capable of so much. The truth is, there are many things that we will enjoy doing and be really great at. And if you do choose a career path that does not turn out to be exactly right for you, that's okay too. As a scientist, I have learned that unsuccessful experiments are just as important as the successful ones, if not more important in many cases. In life, every step forward helps us learn about ourselves, which is vital to discovering what we are really great at and what we love to do. Graduating university can feel overwhelming, but we are ready to move forward and to use the tools we have acquired to continue our education in whatever forum we will find ourselves in, which I think is more important than choosing the perfect career path. Thank you very much.
Dr. Brunet, I would like to thank you for your valedictory address, but for your very impressive work, and I wish you lots of good luck in your continued career. Thank you.